let me take my glasses off because it's starting to get dark. And I had to use my ring light, and I hate it when I can see those little circles in my glasses. So we're gonna take those off because I didn't feel like going anywhere else to try to film this little intro. So we're doing it right here on the couch, okay? But listen, I'm sitting here editing videos. This is my little office, y'all, and just going through different videos. For those of you that been rocking with us, we are making some upgrades and changes to our home, and we are starting with the bathroom, our guest bathroom upstairs. So we started off having the guest bathroom, the dining room, and then our hall entryway area, foyer area if you will, painted. We just had those 3 areas painted at one time. So this particular night, after the painters were done, I just started walking through, looking at the paint, just kind of thinking about what I'm going to do next after I get through with the bathroom. And it's like I had this, I don't even want to say a bright idea, because I know my husband thinks it's a crazy idea, but I found myself sitting here and I ended up being like in a chandelier dilemma. Okay, so I just grabbed the camera, and like I oftentimes say, to bring you guys along or to capture a moment, I'll just grab the camera. So this particular night, I grabbed the camera, did not properly open up the video by saying, "Hey everybody." I just started talking to y'all, family. I just started having a full-fledged conversation. So once I looked at that clip, I'm like, okay, I need to go back and open up the video. So this is me opening up the video, or doing a proper intro, if you will. And I want you to, once you look at the video, because you guys, we are getting to the dining room after we get through with the bathroom, so I can't be waiting till the last minute to be getting stuff together, okay? So once you look at the video, I need you in the comment section below to say, move the chandelier or get a new chandelier, okay? So I need you all to help me, because I'm really in a chandelier dilemma as it pertains to us moving on next to our dining room. Okay, so you got it? Move the chandelier or get a new chandelier. Okay, all right, so let's go check out the video, because I promise y'all, I just picked up the camera and I just started talking to y'all. Y'all, I'm sitting here thinking, just trying to think through everything that we have to get done for our home upgrades that I'm working on. The painters have gone and stuff is still a mess, dining room table top behind me, the rest of the dining room table is sitting here, in the mirror and chairs are in another room. So anywho, I'm just sitting here because I'm trying to, I would really like to change out my chandelier in the dining room. So I've been on the hunt trying to find something that I like, but then too not trying to do the most as it pertains to the budget. But I kind of know what I have a feel for, and you guys, I am sitting here and I realized what I really want to do. Y'all, it just hit me. It just hit me, y'all. This is the light that I would really like in my dining room. Look, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that light up there? Okay, I got up and turned the light on in hopes that you could kind of see it better. But y'all, that's it. That's the light I would love to have in my dining room. Y'all, that's the light I would really love to have in my dining room. And I'm whispering because my dude number one is asleep. And our bedroom is right here. Oh my goodness, he's taking a nap, y'all. Y'all, that's it. Oh my goodness. I would love to have that in my dining room. And very seldom do we even turn that light on. And I know I would need to eventually replace it with something, but I don't have to do it right now. I can just put, he can do some type of light cover up there, or either just put something small up there. I don't know, I prefer he put a light cover. Listen to me talking like he gonna do it. Y'all, my husband really does not like heights. And our ceilings in here, I think they're like 22 feet. They're really high. We don't even have the ladder to get up there. But I know he can get one to get up there. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that's crazy. That's the light. That's the light, y'all. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. He gonna think I'm crazy. Okay, I'm gonna ask him. And see what he says. Y'all, he gonna think, he gonna be like, you on what? Ooh, wait. Wow. So I don't know if he would try to do it himself, or we would need to hire an electrician to come in and move it. Now he knows how to install them. He knows how to install lights. The issue is gonna be getting up that high. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, y'all, that's the light. So we're gonna see. So I'm gonna ask him and see what he says. Ooh, y'all, it's gonna be his true reaction too, because when I ask him, y'all know I'm gonna have this camera turned on so y'all can see his reaction. It's gonna be his true reaction. He gonna think I have lost my mind. Wow, y'all, that's it. Look, y'all. Oh, that's what I want off of my dining room table. Okay, so we'll see. So once he wakes up, I'm gonna ask him, and we all gonna see what he has to say. Oh, Lord Jesus, let him be nice. Let him be nice. Number one is putting in our faucets. This is the before.
Is it going up and down?
Yes, honey.
Okay.
And this is the after.
Up and down. Okay. Whew. Can't be claustrophobic down here.
You all right?
I'm good. Whew.
Thank you, babe. One down, one more to go. Well, you guys, it's the next day. And it's late. My dude number one been working so hard. But I told him I needed to talk to him about something. So, anyway, here goes. So, honey, you know, I've been telling you about, I've been looking for a chandelier for the dining room.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that?
Yeah, I'll go ahead.
So,
what does it cost?
no, I've been looking and I've not really found one. That's my issue. It's kind of like I know what I've been looking for. Let me move y'all over here a little bit so y'all can see him real good. It's like I know what I'm looking for. But it just hit me the other day when I was downstairs and I was just piddling around, trying to get stuff together. And then I realized, y'all, I hope that he's putting up tools. I hope that's not too loud. I realized exactly what I want over my dining room table. And it's free. Maybe soda candle.
Okay.
I want our light we already have.
Huh?
I want our light we already have.
Okay, what light? Chandelier we have?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You gonna take it down for me?
Why would I take it down if you like it?
Huh?
Why would I take it down if you like the chandelier?
Because I need it in the dining room.
The chandelier in your wardrobe room?
Oh no.
Okay. Well, what other chandelier else? Other chandelier? The kitchen? The one in the kitchen?
No. The one in the kitchen?
Yeah, the sitting area. Okay, whatever then. I don't know what other chandelier we have.
We have one more.
Wardrobe room? No. You don't want the one in the dining room that's there. You don't want the one in the... I don't know. Where's another one at? There's another one I don't know about? The one in the laundry room?
No.
Well, wait, what else? Maybe I don't know where the chandelier is. If it's another room in here with a chandelier, I don't know where it's at.
Will you get it for me?
I don't know where it's at. Where's that? Tell me where it's at. I don't know no other place in the chandelier.
Wait a minute, let me go turn this TV down. You may hear it in the background. Let me go turn it down. Why you thinking? Okay, I'm back.
I don't know what chandelier you're talking about. I don't know no chandelier.
What you mean you don't know it? You see it every day.
Man, look, my brain don't shut down.
I know it's late, honey. It's one more.
Okay.
Like when you come in.
The foyer?
You love me?
Girl, you drinking.
You love me?
How am I supposed to get all the way up there?
You love me?
I like you right now. No, I ain't gonna... Love is a big strong word right now.
Am I being a cactus right now?
No, you ain't being no cactus, but that's a long way up there, and I'm scared of heights.
I did say you really don't care for heights.
Oh, baby, that's a ways up there. Hey, that's a country mile.
We could get an electrician to come and take it down. And then I can get it cleaned up all pretty. It would be beautiful because
it'll be better if you just get one like that.
No, because then I'm gonna want something different for it. They're like more grand. But what I did say was that we don't even really have to have anything up there. Like, couldn't we put some type of plate or something to cover it until I figure it out? Because we don't even need to turn that light on.
Man, let me go look at this. I ain't even paid attention to that thing since we...
I mean, because we really don't be having it on.
intentions of ever going up there to get...
I know it, honey. I know it. I know it.
There is no intentions in the world of going up there. You got a better chance of churches stop asking for offerings than you got me going up there.
That's why I said we can... An electrician can... What if an electrician goes up there and gets it? If it doesn't cost too much. Because that's the only reason you won't do it is because... And I didn't say can't do it because you can, but the only reason you won't is because I know you really don't like heights, so...
You might as well go up on top of the roof. What you talking about?
I know, babe. I know. I just thought I'd ask.
You did ask me, baby. That's one thing I can't say you asked. And I'm going to tell you no.
Dog, you didn't have to say it.
I'll tell you what. I'll go. Let me see. You know what? I'll go. I haven't really...
It's hot, babe.
Huh?
It's high.
Let me see. How am I supposed to get up there?
Bruh, come.
Man, no. I tell you what. We'll work out the logistics in there.
I can call an electrician.
I mean, the issue
It's
is
gonna
not.
cost us hundreds of dollars that we could have saved. But it's hard. It really, honey, with you not really liking heights, it's kind of hard. How did you have to walk across me and put your bunkum all in my face?
I am sorry, babe. I'm trying my best. I'm building you a house at the same time.
You just stepped all over me.
Please forgive me, babe. I'm stepping
You coming
back
back again?
Yeah, I'm gonna step back by. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, got you. This done.
Thank you, babe. I appreciate it.
You
Well,
need this
y'all, I
level.
guess we all had to
You need this level
stand
for
by,
the
and I don't know where I'm going to insert this part in all these videos. I really don't. I guess we'll figure it out. But I talked to the family yesterday, and I told them I was going to ask you. I was talking to them, baby, and I was whispering because it's when you were in there sleep. Remember you and Jackson was in there sleep yesterday? Across the bed. And I was whispering because I didn't want you to wake up and hear me. So I told everybody I was going to ask you.
Ask me what?
About it. I told the family when I shared it with them first, when it just hit me about that's right there, that's what I keep seeing, sort of, kind of. So anyway,
Is that what it is? That's what you keep saying?
I mean, but you know, I was saying that I wanted something that was like long, like rectangular, like long, but that would be so pretty cleaned up.
I don't know what that looked like. I'm gonna be God honest with you. I could not tell you. Okay, well, we're moving along. This is done.
Well, we'll have to see if we can see, honey, because it's gonna be dark down
Let me
there.
go get my funky in the shower.
You're not funky, babe.
I'm just saying.
Now, that's one thing I don't have to worry about.
I'm sweating.
You know, but still, you
I
ain't
feel
funky.
sticky.
Well, you ain't funky. You might feel sticky, but you ain't funky.
Yeah, well, I feel
babe.
sticky then. I feel sticky. I'm going to.
Y'all will see.
How did they get up there?
They had a big old ladder.
Do you know how far that is?
I know that's like way up there. I showed the people yesterday. That's way up there, y'all.
I'm not going to do that.
Well, can we call an
Call
electrician?
somebody. Let them fall.
Let them fall.
Yeah, if somebody going to fall, it'll be them.
Ain't nobody trying to fall, y'all.
They got to be under some good coverage.
Yeah, I like these daytime lights. I ain't stepping past the window because look, we ain't no blinds up.
Yes, ma'am. You can let them go ahead and do that.
I can call him.
Let me
I
tell
can call
you
an
something.
electrician.
It's like Geico. You get a quote.
Say what?
But Geico, you got to get a quote up there.
I know it.
Man, and what in the world? I never even paid attention to that thing.
Isn't that pretty though?
It's pretty far up there.
Yeah, maybe I should have waited and said something when he wasn't tired, but it is. It's high up there. So I don't know. We'll see. I guess we'll see if we can figure it out. It would be so pretty all cleaned up. All right. We'll see what happens. I know he feels some kind of way, so I really don't want him to do it because I know he don't like heights, y'all. So we'll see. We'll see if we get it figured out. If not, then hey.